Oscarmax has established over 37 years since 1985, dedicating on electrical discharge machines all along which EDM has played an important role for manufacture industry. Through digital design product module, to shorten the time on development and able to preview the requirements in advance. Hence, it improves product quality and competitivity, with over 100 models in the market. With over years manufacturing experience, train and develop professional talents, prompt service and feedback to customers, deliver high-precision equipment. Professional inspection equipment to control manufacturing quality, therefore enhance the manufacturing and application skills continuously. Integration platform with monitoring sparking waves to meet the market's requirements and even more. Support customer to integrate the auto production line with its internal system. Increase the equipment utilization rate and quality stability. By providing customers a total solution on the jobs, together we make a win-win scenario and build a better industry world.